Picture a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream but your reality. You're not alone in striving for a more abundant life. But what if the key to financial freedom isn't hidden in some complex algorithm or Wall Street guru's secret formula? Get this, the ancients were onto something. Long before credit cards and crypto, civilizations thrived using surprisingly sophisticated financial practices. And these money secrets have stood the test of time. So what did they know that we've forgotten? Let's crack the code on ancient financial wisdom, and more importantly, how you can apply it to your life today.
Money lessons from Mesopotamia, contracts and consequences. Think contracts and debt are modern inventions? Think again. Travel back to 1750 BC in ancient Mesopotamia, where Hammurabi, a Babylonian king, laid down the law with his famous code, and yes, a big chunk of it dealt with money matters. We're talking clear-cut rules about loans, property rights, even liability if your business partner goes rogue.
Ancient secret number 1. Get everything in writing. Sounds simple, right? The ancients knew that clear agreements prevent headaches down the line. Today, that translates to reading the fine print, understanding your financial obligations, and yes, maybe even consulting a professional before signing on the dotted line.
From granaries to greenbacks, the Egyptian Guide to Economic Stability. Imagine a world without money. That's where the ancient Egyptians came in. They figured out a pretty ingenious system using grain. Yup, grain. These savvy folks built massive granaries to store surplus crops. Farmers got receipts for their deposits, which acted like early money, traded for goods, and even used to pay taxes.
Ancient secret number 2. Think long-term, like really long-term. The Egyptians understood the importance of saving for a rainy day, or in their case, a dry season. So ditch the instant gratification mindset and build an emergency fund. Squirrel away some cash for that dream vacation, or start investing. Small, consistent steps towards a secure future.
The Roman rule, number 1, don't let your money go up in smoke, literally. The mighty Roman Empire, remember them from history class? They achieved a level of economic dominance partially because they cracked the code on standardized currency. No more bartering chickens for sandals. The Roman denarius, a reliable, consistently minted silver coin, became their claim to financial fame.
But they also teach us a valuable lesson about inflation. Think printing money like it's going out of style is a good thing? Think again. When the Roman government got spend-happy, their currency lost value, leading to economic instability and eventually the fall of their mighty empire.
Ancient secret number 3. Don't outspend your means. The Romans' financial downfall, a potent reminder that living within, or ideally below, our means is key. Building a solid budget and making intentional spending choices, that's a timeless strategy for financial success.
Beyond the Colosseum, timeless principles still hold true. These ancient societies, despite their differences and ultimate fates, all held to certain financial principles that echo throughout history. Financial literacy matters. Whether you're deciphering a clay tablet or a credit card statement, understanding your finances is essential. Patience beats quick riches. Sustainable wealth takes time and discipline. No shortcuts here. Debt is a slippery slope. Overspending and borrowing recklessly can topple empires or, lead to some seriously stressful credit card statements. Ethical money, ethical life. Financial success without integrity is meaningless. Remember, they wrote laws about this stuff back then. From Mesopotamia to your wallet, what will you do? Sure, we might not be bartering grain or carrying around sacks of denarii anytime soon, but the wisdom of the ancients still packs a punch. By understanding their triumphs and failures, we unlock timeless principles for navigating today's financial landscape, and maybe even achieve the financial freedom we're all after. So take inspiration from our ancestors and start implementing their secrets. You might just be surprised by the wealth, both financially and in well-being, that comes with it.